Hi, my lovelies. Welcome back to The Good Friend. Today, I have got a very endearing story for you. Story of Toby and the talking tree. So, can you see Toby on the screen? Yeah, isn't he cute? So let me start with a wonderful story for you. One sunny afternoon, Toby was playing in the park when his ball rolled under a majestic oak tree, the old oak tree. Little did he know that the tree had a special secret waiting to be discovered. The magical talking tree. Toby was taken aback when the old oak tree introduced itself. He never expected the tree to speak, reminding Toby to slow down and appreciate the beauty surrounding him every day. When Toby finally settled under the oak tree, the curious animals gathered around. The tree shared enchanting stories of nature, and for the first time, Toby listened quietly, discovering the beauty of patience and understanding. And Toby learns to listen. However, as the dark clouds gathered overhead, Toby felt the wind pick up. In a rush, he ran to the old oak for shelter, knowing that the tree would keep him safe from the storm. Finally, after the storm, Toby woke up to a beautiful sunrise as the new day begins. The old oak's leaves sparkled with raindrops, making Toby smile as he realized how nature had protected him during the storm. Toby carefully planted a small sapling beside the old oak, understanding that the patience and care would help it grow, and plant and natures protect us so much. Toby, as he plants a new sapling, promised to nurture it every day just like the tree did for him. Isn't it a wonderful story about growing together, learning to support each other, including nature, animals, and friends, while embracing patience and care for the things surrounding us? That was all for today. Hope you enjoyed the short story that I shared with you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to continue getting all updates about such stories. Toodaloo!